Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about this beautiful flowering plant, this blue color flower plant. This is called Aparajita. Aparajita is a very commonly used house plants. It is very it is used in the Vastu also here in India, and it is also used as a herbal medicinal plant because this flower, it has a medicinal values for the cold and cough. So nowadays it has become really popular because of this COVID, and everybody started including in their diet. And today I'll tell you how this one. I just grew this plant. You can see this big plant. I've just grown it with one single seed, guys. After this flowers, what happens? You'll get a seed like this, a pods like this. This contains seeds of it, and with this single seed, I have grown this plant. You can see this is a 1-year-old plant, guys. And in this plant, this is a very beautiful plant. People, they also include this one in hanging basket, yeah, but you have to regular prune your hanging baskets, as you can just see the color of these leaves, guys, these fresh leaves, how beautiful they are looking. The season of this one is from March to October, September, October. Till then you will be getting heavy flowering in this plant. Now it is July, so as the monsoon has started already, and let us see how beautifully this is flowering. And there are also other colors in these flowers, that is a white and pink, a light pink it is there. But this one looks really beautiful because of the shape of this flower. You can see this is also called butterfly pea flower. You can just see how beautiful this one looks. There is also a double petal in this, but I like this one, guys. Look at this one, how beautiful this one looks. The color also, it is so bright that even from a distance also people can notice this flower. So guys, we have a medicinal values, as I told you already. And this plant, coming to the soil mixture, what I'm going to talk is soil mixture. What I've made it is normal garden soil with coco peat and vermicompost. Garden soil what I've taken is 50%, or you can take as 40% and 30% as a vermicompost and 30% as coco peat. Okay, you can see how beautifully and fresh leaves this is getting, because I've recently I have repotted this plant. But you have to be very careful while repotting, because what happens, you should not disturb the root ball, guys. The root ball is very important in this. When you try to repot this one, it was placed in a very small container, as I told you that I have started this plant with a seed. So what happened is, it was in small container and it grew like that, and I left it, but it was not flowering. So now you can see I'm at least getting, every day I'm getting at least 7 to 8 flowers, and this plant grows really vigorously, guys. So what you need to do is, you have to maintain a support. You should put a support to this plant, so that, see here, I'll show you what is happening. I've just put this one support, and I've just put it near this pot, and this is growing like this vertically. Now as you can see how this is holding my purple heart. If you can see how this one is holding the purple heart plant. So that is the thing, guys. So this one grows really big. If you can just grow it in the ground floor, it can reach up to the second to third floor. It grows like that, and the flowering, you can enjoy the blooms like anything. It has very beautiful blooms, as I told you. So that is the thing, guys. You need to put a support, and if you're growing in the hanging basket, try to prune it all the time. If you're thinking that it is not looking nice, try to prune it, okay? And I'm just planning this one to put one in one of my hanging basket. Let's see how it goes. And yeah, so this is a seed, guys. See, I have grown. See, when this flower, they dries out like this, I'm just planning to put more seeds, so that's why I'm not disturbing, I'm not deadheading these flowers. See, this one, what you need to do is, you just need to keep it, let them dry, and after that, these kind of pots, you'll get these kind of pots. And when they are green itself, if you want, you can just take it out, because if they grow on the plant, what happens, plant may not grow further. So you need to remove these ones. I removed when this one was green. I am just waiting it to turn completely brown, and it is brown now. You can plant these seeds now, which are dried ones, in the plant directly. I got it like this only, guys. See how it is now. As I told you, it is 1-year-old plant. And here what happened in between, it got twisted completely with my money plant. So before repotting it, so in between you can see the twist how it happened. But now still here also it is getting the leaves. Okay, coming to the sunlight is, you have to give this 4 to 5 hours of sunlight. If you don't give sunlight, these leaves will grow, but you will not get the flowers. So all the medicinal values mostly is there with the flowers. So if you want to enjoy these bright blooms, what you need to do is, you need to give it at least 5 to 6 hours of sunlight. Okay, watering is, this loves moisture, so it is a moist loving plant, and you have to water it every day. As you can see the soil is still moist. Yeah, so you have to keep the soil moist. If not, the leaves, they just they just go down immediately if it doesn't have moisture. As this is rainy season, yeah, it's been days that I've watered this plant. So that is it, guys, about Aparajita. If you like this one, it is very easy growing plant. I just love the color and the flower, the way it looks. So if you like this plant, if not for the puja, try to include this one in your diet and enjoy, okay, the medicinal values. And try to share the plants, guys, with your friends. My channel is all about growing plants. Okay, happy gardening, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon, and please like my videos. If you like, I can make many such videos, and I'm going to make lot of videos and lot of information will be sharing with you. Thank you for watching.